Hello students, welcome to online classes of Shemstar Global School. This is Nabila Fatima. This video is a continuation of chapter The Expansion of British Power in India. In the previous video, we have studied that how different companies came to India for doing business. So now let's study the further topics of this chapter. How were these companies different from the earlier ones? Earlier, the companies which came to India wanted to do only business with India. But seeing the unstable political situation of India, both French East India Company and English East India Company changed their minds. They wanted to control both the political and economic power of India. Both FEIC and EEIC had got support from their respective governments. They can declare war, sign treaties, and increase their territories. Trade wars. By the end of 18th century, the Portuguese had lost their monopoly over Indian trade. The Dutch too had been defeated and had returned towards the spice trade in the Indonesian islands. So, the only two important companies which was there in India was French East India Company and English East India Company. FEIC and EEIC became rival of each other. When FEIC and EEIC started doing trade in India, they earned a lot of profit from their trade. Now, both FEIC and EEIC wanted to establish their monopoly over trade with India in order to maximize their profit, as they don't want to share their profit with anyone. This brought them into conflict with each other. Series of war was fought between FEIC and EEIC. In order to earn more profit, both wanted to control the political and economic system of India, and because of this, they started fighting among each other. The wars fought between FEIC and EEIC is known as Anglo-French War. Here, Anglo means Britishers, or Carnatic War. It is known as Carnatic War because these wars are fought in the southern region of India, that is Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Together, these parts of India are known as Carnatic regions. There were three Carnatic Wars which was fought between EEIC and FEIC. So let's study about them in detail. First Carnatic War. The first Carnatic War started in 1744 and it ended in 1748. It was fought between EEIC and FEIC. Reason for the First Carnatic War was Austrian War of Succession, which started in Europe between England and France. Austria is a country in Europe. Both England and France started fighting for the succession of Austria, and their rivalry can be felt in India also. Dupleix was the governor of Pondicherry at that time. The French at this time was led by Dupleix. Dupleix wanted to expand his territory. Dupleix captured Madras. So, when Dupleix wants to expand his territory, and because of this, he captured Madras, which was the territory of the Britishers. War between French versus Carnatic Nawab. When French captured Madras, then Britishers asked help from Anwaruddin, who was the Nawab of Carnatic at that time. Anwaruddin decided to help the Britishers and he fought against the French. But in this battle, French won the war and the Nawab lost the war. So basically, Britishers also lost the war because Nawab was fighting from the Britishers' side. War ended in Europe. War also ended in India. Austrian War of Succession ended in Europe between England and France, and The treaty was signed in Europe between them. So now in India, they also had to stop the war. Dupleix, the governor of French, was very capable. He decided to adopt more aggressive role in the local politics of the Carnatic. He was aware of unstable political condition of the south. He wanted to increase the French political influence in the south. He intended to use the resources of the local rulers to throw British company from India. So with this, we have completed First Carnatic War. Please watch the video carefully, learn the dates and the reason for the war between FEIC and EEIC. And if you have any problem, then ask from me by putting your questions in the comment section.